Unleash your upper body strength with the seated dumbbell shoulder press. This exercise is a powerhouse for building upper body strength and enhancing your overall fitness. The seated dumbbell shoulder press is a fantastic exercise. It builds strength. It boosts shoulder power. By focusing on the deltoid muscles, it ensures that your shoulders are not just strong, but also well-defined and aesthetically pleasing. It sculpts those sexy, sculpted shoulders we all want. Imagine having shoulders that not only look great, but also support you in various physical activities. This exercise is a staple for anyone looking to level up their fitness game. Whether you're aiming for strength, endurance, or muscle definition, the seated dumbbell shoulder press has got you covered. Whether you're a gym newbie or a seasoned pro, this exercise can be tailored to fit your needs. It's versatile and can be adjusted to match your fitness level and goals. This guide will provide you with a comprehensive breakdown of the seated dumbbell shoulder press. From proper form to variations, you'll learn everything you need to know to perform this exercise effectively and safely. Get ready to unleash the power of this awesome exercise. With the right technique and consistency, you'll see significant improvements in your shoulder strength and overall upper body fitness. This exercise targets the deltoid muscles. These muscles are crucial for shoulder movement and stability, making them essential for both athletic performance and daily activities. These muscles give your shoulders that round shape. A well-developed deltoid not only enhances your physique, but also contributes to better posture and reduced risk of shoulder injuries. Strong shoulders are important for everyday activities. Lifting groceries, carrying bags, even playing with your kids. It all starts with strong shoulders. The seated dumbbell shoulder press helps you build that functional strength. Imagine being able to lift your kids effortlessly or carry heavy bags without straining. Strong shoulders make all these tasks easier and more manageable. The seated dumbbell shoulder press helps you build that functional strength. This exercise is versatile. You can incorporate it into various workout routines, whether you're focusing on strength training, muscle building, or overall fitness. You can do it with dumbbells, barbells, or even resistance bands. This flexibility allows you to switch up your routine and keep your workouts interesting and challenging. Plus, you can adjust the weight to match your fitness level. Whether you're just starting out or looking to push your limits, you can find the right weight to challenge yourself and make progress. That makes it perfect for everyone, from beginners to advanced lifters. No matter where you are in your fitness journey, the seated dumbbell shoulder press can help you achieve your goals. So grab those dumbbells, find a seat, and get ready to transform your shoulders with the seated dumbbell shoulder press. Your journey to stronger, more defined shoulders starts now. Before you start pressing, let's set up for success. Preparation is key to ensuring you get the most out of your workout and avoid any potential injuries. Choose a weight that challenges you without compromising your form. It's important to select a weight that you can handle for the entire set while maintaining proper technique. Remember, start light and gradually increase the weight as you get stronger. This progressive overload helps in building muscle and strength over time without overstraining your muscles. Now, let's find a bench with back support. A bench with proper back support is crucial for maintaining good posture and preventing lower back strain. Adjust the seat height so your feet are flat on the floor. This ensures stability and allows you to generate more power during the press. Sit down on the bench. Make sure you're comfortable and well-positioned before you start lifting. Your back should be firmly against the backrest. This helps in maintaining a stable and safe position throughout the exercise. Maintain a neutral spine. That means your back is straight, not arched or rounded. A neutral spine position helps in preventing injuries and ensures that the right muscles are engaged. Engage your core. Imagine you're about to get punched in the stomach. This engagement stabilizes your torso and provides a solid foundation for the press. That's the feeling you want to maintain throughout the exercise. Keeping your core tight helps in maintaining balance and control. Place your feet flat on the floor. This provides a stable base and helps in generating power from the ground up. Your feet should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart. This stance enhances your stability and balance during the press. This stance provides a stable base for you to push from. A solid foundation is essential for performing the press effectively and safely. Now, you're ready to grab those dumbbells. With everything set up correctly, you're in the perfect position to perform a powerful and effective press. Hold a dumbbell in each hand. Use an overhand grip. That means your palms are facing each other. Your grip should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your wrists straight and aligned with your forearms. Lift the dumbbells up to shoulder level. Your elbows should be slightly below your shoulders. This is your starting position. Make sure your back is straight and your core is engaged. Keep your chest up and your shoulders relaxed. Section 4, Upward and Onward, executing the seated dumbbell shoulder press. Take a deep breath. As you exhale, press the dumbbells up above your head. Extend your arms fully without locking your elbows. Keep your core engaged and your back straight throughout the movement. Pause for a moment at the top of the movement. Slowly lower the dumbbells back down to the starting position. Inhale as you lower the weights. Control the movement. Don't let the dumbbells crash down on your shoulders. That's 1 rep. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions. Section 5. Mastering your form. Tips for a safe and effective workout. Maintaining proper form is crucial for maximizing results and preventing injuries. Here are some key form tips to keep in mind. First, keep your back firmly pressed against the backrest throughout the exercise. This provides support for your spine and helps you maintain a stable position. Second, avoid arching or rounding your back. Maintain a neutral spine throughout the movement to protect your spine from unnecessary stress. Lastly, keep your wrists straight and aligned with your forearms throughout the exercise. This helps to prevent wrist strain and ensures that the weight is being lifted with proper form. Section 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Keeping your shoulders safe and strong. Now let's talk about some common mistakes people make when performing the seated dumbbell shoulder press. This exercise is fantastic for building shoulder strength, but only if done correctly. Many people unknowingly make errors that can lead to injuries or reduce the effectiveness of their workout. Avoid these mistakes to stay safe and get the most out of your workout. Proper form is crucial not just for safety, but also for maximizing the benefits of the exercise. Let's dive into the specifics. First, don't use momentum to swing the weights up. This is a common mistake that can lead to serious shoulder injuries. This puts unnecessary stress on your shoulders and reduces the effectiveness of the exercise. Instead, focus on lifting the weights in a controlled manner. Second, avoid leaning forward or pressing the dumbbells forward. This not only compromises your form, but also shifts the focus away from your shoulders. This can strain your lower back and shoulders. Maintaining an upright posture ensures that the shoulder muscles are engaged correctly. Finally, don't rush the movement. Speeding through the exercise can lead to poor form and increase the risk of injury. Control the weight both on the way up and on the way down. This not only helps in building strength but also ensures muscle engagement throughout the movement. This ensures that you're working the muscles effectively and safely. Remember, quality over quantity is key when it comes to strength training. Take your time, focus on your form, and your shoulders will thank you. Section 7. Conclusion. Embrace the power of the seated dumbbell shoulder press. The seated dumbbell shoulder press is a highly effective exercise for building upper body strength and sculpting those coveted shoulders. By following these steps and tips, you can master this exercise and reap its many benefits. Remember to start with a weight that challenges you without compromising your form, and gradually increase the weight as you get stronger. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout the exercise to maximize results and prevent injuries. Now go ahead and unleash your inner strength with the seated dumbbell shoulder press.